I remember when I first started selling my art about 10 years ago, because I've been doing this full time for quite a while now. I make my living 100% off of selling my art. But the thing is that back when I first started, I was so shy about even showing people my work. I just didn't think it was good enough. I didn't know what good really was either. I didn't know anything about being an artist. I had no idea how to run an art business. I was so afraid to even talk to people about my work. And so this is why I wanted to do a video here for you people who are just starting out as artists, to help you build a little bit of confidence about your work and yourself. Because ultimately, as an artist, that's part of what sells our work, is our confidence in what it's worth and our confidence in what we're charging for it. And so the more confident you are about that, and the more assured you are when you're talking to people about your work, then the more likely they are going to purchase from you. And ultimately, I think that there are several things that we can do to help increase our confidence. And first off is start showing your work in small shows and see people's positive reactions to it. Those reactions can really boost your self-confidence, even if they don't purchase from you at first. But ultimately, you really want to get people to buy your work. This supports your financial place in life, because we all have bills to pay, right? But also, every time a person buys my art, I look at it as a vote to me and toward me as an artist, right? So if they purchase my art print, well, then they're voting that their money was worth exchanging that for. And that really means a lot to me. I feel like people really underestimate the power of what money and purchasing another person's artwork can do for that artist. But for me, selling my work has been the best confidence builder that I could ever have. So I think that is really the goal here, right? We all want to sell more artwork. I want to do these videos because I hate seeing people out there who are living the starving artist lifestyle when they don't need to. There are so many ways to make a living as an artist. So you just have to develop a little bit of self-confidence within yourself, that you know that you have the resources inside yourself to be able to make it through anything. And ultimately, sometimes you can have the attitude, just fake it until you make it, right? If you aren't confident about your work, just put it out there anyway and act like you are. And then eventually the confidence will catch up. And that's kind of what I did. I was really afraid to talk to people at first about my work. I was afraid to sell things to people. I didn't like the stigma behind us kind of selling out and selling stuff. I wanted to make something that I was really passionate about. But then over time, I realized that I just love selling my work. It's because of those people voting for my artwork. And I'll do lots of different art events where there are prizes and awards that they give out, even if I don't win. If I made a lot of sales, like if I made in the top 10% of the level of sales that I've ever made at an art fair, I'm just ecstatic. I'm like, hey, I won the show, right? Even if I didn't win by the judges, because I kind of look at it as sometimes it's great if you have validation from an outside source like art fair judges or competition judges, but that's not really necessary. To me, the ultimate validation is, do people buy my work? And can I pay my bills off of selling my artwork? If you'd like to learn more about developing art that sells, watch this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.